Yo, what up, guys? Jamie, Shine guys. I'm about to take out some scratches on this nice Camry right here. Someone opened the door, scratched it pretty deep. I'm not gonna use any sandpaper. I'm just gonna use rotary. We're doing a two-step. Rotary, I'm gonna smooth them out. Watch and learn. The only reason why I'm not gonna use sandpaper is because it's just another quick thing for a friend. And I think I can get it out. So it's not gonna come out even with sandpaper. That's mainly the main reason why I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
So you see these deeper gouges right here, all that. With me grabbing my finger on there, they're not gonna come out. What I can do is I'm gonna kind of get it hot and kind of fold that clear over a little bit.
Like camouflage them a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna hide them. Sweet. I'm gonna shoot a little bit of water, moisture, so I don't shoot everything over, all this, create a ton of dust. Put a good amount of compound on there. My brick of a DeWalt polisher, rotary. And the reason why I'm gonna go with this route and not just the DA, this is gonna be a lot faster. I'm still gonna DA it after it's done, but I'll just show you this quick process. Again, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick up my compound and I'm just gonna smooth it out, and I'm gonna just rub it out like butter each way. So let's check it out. That's another quick step, so a quick little tip. When I pick up my compound, I like to put it and I like to smear it around my area where I'm polishing. So, I'm gonna just, and there, anytime all I'm doing is I'm gonna smooth my area with the compound, make sure it's all the way inside all my fibers, and then I'm gonna ramp it up. So 1,000, and then I'm gonna move up to 1,800. The main thing too is that what really sucks is this main scratch right here is on the edge. So I'm gonna bump up to it both ways, on top and on the bottom. And I'm just gonna align my polisher right here on that body line and not hit the body line. This is factory finish, and if you barely hit it, it can go through, especially there's nothing.
The clear, right?
On age. Yeah, no clear on these edges. So as you can see, with the light, look at how much better they look. So I got almost all those out except for this one, which those aren't gonna come out. You're gonna have to put some clear coat in there or some paint touch up, and then you still have this one. Again, right immediately, I'm running really, really hot, and you can see that I'm creating a lot of dust. So another little technique that I like to use when I'm cutting out these scratches, I don't know if you noticed, so in a few different times I'll go up and down, and what I'm doing is I'm kind of going with the scratch. So right here, the scratch is up, it's up and down. So I was hitting it up and trying to make it go with the actual damage. So for me, when I look at this scratch, it looks like someone hit it maybe going up or maybe going down. So I want to go the direction of wherever the scratch is going to try to level it out. Then I'll hit it really deep and then I'll go over the other way. I'm not doing it for finishing purposes. I'm doing it strictly for leveling out the scratch. So there's no finishing technique that is happening when I'm using my rotary. I am doing nicer strikes just so I can make my next step a lot faster. Just to make not so like erratic swirl marks. I just want all my nice pattern of nice swirls, so it's easier for my next step to take it out. So yeah, so that's the little thing that I always forget what I'm doing, but that's one thing I was doing if you see me going up and down. Okay, So, rotary steps done. If you can see the still scratch right there, like I said, that part's not coming out. That's a chip, that's not coming out. The reason why I didn't sand is because I knew I'm not gonna get these out even by sanding, so I might as well just try to fold over the paint. You can still see there's a deeper scratch right here. That needs paint touch up. There's some deeper ones. All right, so now that's my quick, that's my rotary step. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the, still my M100 on this paint. Toyota paint is most of the time is really hard. So you can get a nice finish down with a heavier compound and a mild aggressive pad. So now I'm switching to my DEA. And let's take out these swirl marks. Okay, so now stepping over rotary step, M100, owner's pride, maroon pad. It's pretty, it's not crazy aggressive, but I would say it's a medium on the aggressive side. And green. All right, guys. So 2-step scratch removal, no sanding, just wool pad and foam. I would say that's pretty damn good. So anyways, that's how you do it. We're using wool, water, maroon OP pad, M100, DeWalt rotary, Mark III Rupes, trusty scan grip, and work. I'm Jamie, Shine Guys, we're out here, we're here working. Like, subscribe, follow, hit somebody up, share it, talk shit. Let me know what else you want to learn, if you want to learn anything. Peace out. Damn.